Hey there, we're almost at 30 days, and today I will be building a simple project. Today is day 27 of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge, and today we will be building a simple QR code with Python. Yes, you can build QR codes with Python. Let me show you how you can do it. Day 27. Hello everyone, and welcome to day 27 of 100 Days of Python Programming Challenge. And today we're building QR codes. We're building a QR code. We would be using this package, the QR code 8.0. So I'll put the link in the description so it is readily available for you to use. So the first step is to install the QR code. And if you want more functionality, then you can add the pill dependency. And what is QR code? QR code is, I'm sure you've seen images similar like this that you can scan and then it goes to a website. I know people use it for their Instagram or for their website, and then you scan it and then it takes you to the person's website. So this is what we would be using, exactly this code. So let me show you. So first thing that we have done is to install the QR code pill. So if you have not had it installed, you can install it on your system. And next we're going to import QR code. And now that we've imported it, we're going to use the QR code instance. We want to create an instance of our QR code. This is based on the documentation that you see here. This is how to create the instance of your QR code. You have your QR code version, you have the error correction level, the size of your QR code box, and the border around your QR code. So I would have that here. We're following the documentation today. And then now that we've created the instance of our QR code, then what data do we want the QR code to display? Where do we want the QR code to go? So I actually want you to go to the Beth Media website. If you have not checked out the Beth Media website, now is the time to do it. So it is going to this URL, ql.add-data, and we want to add this data. Why are we using add data? Because that is what is in the documentation. And then we have this. The next step would be to make the QR code. So how do you make the QR code? You use ql.make and then the fit equals to true. So we've created a QR code instance. We've added data to our QR code. In this case, we added a URL. And now we've used our ql.make to make the QR code. And now we want to create the image object. Like you see, this is the code to create the image object of the QR code. So here you can decide if you want to have a black and white or if you want to add colors to it. It depends on whatever you'd like to do. So I would like to make mine black and white. And then we then have to save the image. We want to be able to save the image in a PNG file, and also I want to show you the image after I've created it. So image.save is to save it to image example.png, and it's a Beth Media QR code, so bethmedia.png, and then image.show. And when I run this, it should open the QR code. That's what we have there. So image.show shows the QR code. And if I go to bethmedia.png, and there we have our QR code. Let me open it. Bethmedia.png. So this is our QR code. So this is how we create QR code by using the QR code package. We created an instance of our QR code, the data we want the QR code to show, and then we use the ql.make to make the QR code. We also put like colors. We want black and white color. We're able to save the QR code into a file, and then we're able to like also display it. So this displays the QR code, and this we saved it into this file. So this is how you create a QR code in Python. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you were able to learn something from it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And don't forget to also try the practice questions that are in the Jupyter notebook and put your solutions in the comment section. Let's build a community together. As always, the link to that notebook is in the description below, and I'll see you tomorrow.